Hopeson Adorye, operations director my United Party, was it 2028? NPP for about dismantle mo krum here. Also Jumo de be dim 2028. Na mo de I don't know. Abusia for. Also munimu a mo hwe na 2028 e be ye dwe e Ghana hanum say. E dey the Hopeson say o de be ye NPP for. Me be bo video na ma wo. Abusia for kopiem on the 2 television and wo bon comot treatment the NPP for the man. Any dey o plan so be 2028. Na me asem we me say utie a me expect say MPP for the response about bonting. Not official response, but I also be MPP communicators in Ibinka because one in now hopes in sending. I know shit. Full video to you in a moment. Before that, subscribe to the channel. We are not turning your bell notification icon video ni drop here. Once I feel free, comment, give comment section, or share link enough for on your be a share. Me say etore bia ho na open clinic company a mo ni asem mo ba siesie aprepra ofi honum ama hwa ehwam hospital church bank institution office ho say na be ho ba wani mbete o twa de Lil Flower Green Clean Solution Center Abama. We are the best in this country, and if your numbers no go screen so dey kakra bi na ebeje wo dey me church madi ni yopo enfo no ebeje ho backhomeassist.com say men kan che wo se he edemre mo ho edansie ho eden pa o wo abruchire na wo gi obi ade amena si wo da eden pa enti wonim wo abruchire na wo si wo da wagana hanum se wo si business o person koto asase woni hanti wontimi nkohwe backhomeassist.com aba ama me pa chew o fe number na go screen so na wo de ka chew mo se o pese wo da na wo si no wo de show mo nsara mo kohwe community ma wo enye ne yesi dan no contractor ni si ne ye kwa ye be monitor ne ye ka mu no kra kire wo nti dan na do length foundation level ye be ka no kra kire wo asase na pese koto de kohwe ne da ngura medan so ye be ka no kra kire wo enti ba cho number na go screen so no and I log on to backhomeassist.com na etese wo ankasa mba wo Ghana hanum se na do wani akwakohwe ye gode kote Hopeson Adorye ye enti ana so be this bonika so bi be dismantle bibia na chi so be dwiri nkra wo de kohwe
ni ade. What you say? Let's just get to the so much of party office in Omo yani Omo. Every operations that we did, myself, Titus Grover, the late John Kuma, Richard Nyama, Jenny Pafoyi, and then the main architect. Never knew you are me biesu has here.
The basic
like obi whom you obehwe me mienu nti me bie so, but I can tell you no, there was a time na esi ekọ baby ana your budget plan e go na 12,000 that's esi ekọ jiska o kanu foriata o ne ekọ gina ne fie kwa na o my 8 o'clock ekọ gina honum woni mtama yenza ganska
12,000.
12,000. Only that is a guy. You didn't have campy cambum. Yensa can scan 4 a.m.
From 8 to 4 a.m.
Oh, pa, mon frère, that was me. And so, wonder what you say. Mon frère, Frère Jama, 4 a.m. Dear Jina, I just see a cocoa trefue, ye Jina Quina no, not Namukutensu near Biane. Yeah, he. It's we were determined because operations in any corner, the chia, a behind Jenny. And as you say, you drew baby, Regina, you go and see a brands at the Achi. 4 a.m. You could speed the beer. Charlie, you could do it. You could say, too. Now, yeah, mamma, my report. Yam Rano, no when your feedback, no report, Naba, you know. They don't need us to come and sit down and say, "You can't first say, yeah, yes, you be do yes, oh, you pese, you be ma briefing was you, you feedback and the dada. Eti, you don't need to come. Eti, you kwa, you juma. A juma na ebe yeno, or mutenkra, ha no manya feedback and say, I didn't know I see. Sana ye juma. And yes, you better radio sukeku, you better TV sukeku. The name ya TV suni radio so Canada or the ye can underground worker near yeno. They have no idea. We are only who someone physical strategy, political strategy. Now 2024 make us a Ashanti region. Sir or more places or we are impossible. It's because me too my baby your hair and me finance right. Na mkotina kumase ankoso na ukohwe die besi e je se me kohwe die besi ye ko sade homa no Now then most of the boys said I mean look because of me organize 1,000 MPP supporters CCA wo Kumasi just one call mem organize CCA. Now the 2012 Yeni has say NDC take over Ashanti region.
Yeah.
After MPP before current mean Kasa Kumasi Biom, I say, hey, it took me to go and silence them. And no, Anna, many year our national service say because he see na sumo studio. After hoye din, what you say?
Now, course, in assume so why are they?
No, you have no idea.
The Jumano
say MPP stronghold, no muntimin Kasa. Yami want take you over the place. And at the chi na we no mu ya me say wo me call ayi munhia me honum. Munhia me. Me say me kwa ko gina import atwem mumra. Free honum afi na MPP ahonde na yedan. Eba soro. Monti ano me say den. Me disorganize or more is my disorganized.
Or them say the baby adrun you beka say or your party I wanna know ahwea bom penti said yes bia nka fache.
Anu kra na ehunu. Anu na ehunu. Some ni mo ahwe abom pen. Me name everything about you. Look, opa you omo one by one. Betima kan obi asem one by one. The weakness and the strength. Betima kan one by one. And you know, me kasa me ya de na I know how to strike.
So for usu bempa bolding recently. Obo ne enes usu bempa edi.
Na dey ase go muku no.
You don't mean it.
And yes, I mean, yet one am abo papa friend was na yen go hwe so for na me say let's go. And you two guy. You drew police hospital in fact na represent. Also for penny last time you tear John board no work assembly. Those days. Ya winning 2016 elections in Muhobe. Anna. I don't say. Osu Bemba, whether you like it or not. This someone work on. They make it impact. It be a correct, it be a propaganda. As so okani nyina bomu a eye adwuma. Don't go do asem okani ni. Enti se ne some people for say ene omo de Osu Bempa eto ball aso ahoro na. It's up to them. They have no idea. They say enti peni bianka wo MPP mu a obetima sori agina aka kire emrante ne mabo mu dinsem hunu say stop that. Wa ofani obi nipa no bofu o kasa wo so wo guso a wo tutu jagum. Same makajo me say me that chem me sra hwe ase. O di ase. And em do yo eja no. Me say ne ekeka nyina no just rehearsals of what will happen.
Just say unwie. You are going to deal with the whole party.
The way I would dismantle them 2028. Nyankopon ya dom ye united nkomo a. Mo dem bo mo bebo mo nseba ma. They do 2028 by June, member percentage MPP benya before say kwakoto aba. August 2024, Anamika say they can say MPP benya 39%. What the plus and minus, almost 41, but here they say first declaration 38 point something.
Yeah.
Everyone abem. To do munya trouble ko. Who say near Becono pa.
So for Osu Bempa ka say at a point yet 3-2 ewo wo any Osu Bempa so because you are defending him.
Guys na ye kokko 2 omo hono.
Okay, guys.
I mean police officers no. Young guys oh. I say why I'm say young few number kwa punitu. The current IGP you know Yankopon Hira no emre bia. In opposition na okọ ahafo a na MPP ni bia ntimi mpie na mo bu MPP for hopa no that time you know director of operations ana mko hunu na mne ne kasaye ana me man dynamics ansa wo hu se oh se fa asuti south any north MPP fokita north NDC fokita south adi ne kaka ho adi yes ayi na ye mapping no ana wode amoka ba ko eco station wo ho ansa hono stabilize etitama boys ni yes ana na me friend no na me do to last week and am say corner apolice for I say on boy to all police hospital what's it, who are those and I'm say come bra no what quality what's it me catch say o dwa no what's it what's it catch say o me hu me kira no pa me say what's it wanti o catch me pay what's it wanti any ade ana ma hu ni din so on yete no ana me yes ana no e ba fom yeah eja say ho de ntimi na ho
yeah
tie gina ho ni sofo kasa kaka ile kasa ina nso handcuff egu ni sabo a bed no oh MPP for the most wicked people, the most wicked handcuff gunisa so for we what did not sorry down to Chachama MPP say 2016 MPP and winning a more machine sorry down
yeah on national television
that ketuani it's an aduna ye free hono adichi ene was hey pofo na omuko mi wie omo fa ne se omo de no kwosesa de di na sheka mu lucky ni se na sofo nketua no mienu o se miensa eso wo honom nti omo hu se ka na tu na no so tu ka di omo achi omo fa no mdo omo fa sa anom de no baba na a day before no was so die no ason die. I said, omo bono panie like poison bi akunu. Enti daye num no almost was struggle ya and then ni beche. And this ade chin ya omo tuka. Enti nkankofo no nka no ho a. Just imagine say. Nka dia de besi. Ni enya police officer bi no mo timi akọ ese no. Say papa we die wie no kra. Wie no kra. Enti osu be mpa de. Obi a oni aninu ehu na obehu no se onam hotra sa na sempia waka afa MPP hu bia no omo pa nka se sabre nko mako buku to jedida hwe Facebook pa na bi hwe nkrofo bi pa omo di papa ya tell say hey asamo benia 2016 metimi hu obi na mama na 50 Ghana no o pese o tam mission achi ene oye billionaire MPP billionaire airport residential area omoyi wo hu ni aba obi ka wo ye ma office no de eden ma fa nya hwe obi so wo nya smart yes me titu me nya smart ene bi wo masumdwe husum be koba omo na omo yes smart no omo do omo position ye bibi no ene se wo hu iyoko omo nya ti iyoko na omo yemo ahye omo otitebu hu didi na ebia waso TV kra na nya boy iyoko pe kai wa me by force ontimi ni dibiem ene se wo hu me ba mi hu se mi nua no bo US
yeah
embassy
me pesa me da me ho ba na ye koho na fe ho no ye fu yi kosi se ye be sorry so na de adwuma wo ye ni enne no ye wo some technical challenges eti ye ntimi MPK course enne but say o send o messages no eba definitely me ready na fe ya toa so ama bibia e kama mene Hopeson Adorye an ye di enkomo elfudum ha me friend no commander because of niaminim enti me friend no commander prekope na abusuan nkomo aye di ye di ani e kire US of A Washington DC Ghana embassy ewo ho auditor general akọ akoye adwuma na adwuma akoye di firi mu aba ene se from 2019 to 2025 auditor okoye free ho de bae no sika nukreni ayira ewo ban ase eye 19.3 million US dollars na kwan ya fa so baaye no eno ho nkomo ana yedi ewa ha opani Ghana ewo embassies ewo various nations or countries na US of A de na kenim se ho de said the niema etienti kebia ye bibi kra ye be careful kakra but the free mu abai de na wonim maye monkomo
yo me da se me no ka say me wo report no ha
kuta report
me kita ma me send ma first na fe me ka page na watimi adi machi ewo mu yeah
just o report angas
hey audit report no fine eti no ma send ma e be deliver sisi ya
okay
na yeah nhwe sa report was a special audit report of the Auditor General on Embassy of Ghana in Washington, D.C. for the period January 2017 to June 2025. Now, reporting, Auditor General Johnson Ekwamwa Asiedu presented 1st April 2026. Aban a steady echo. Me say, MPP for a jail no home. They have no idea. Almost to ayampia. They have no idea. In some Ombeko brutal.
Open jail, they are kind of sa you obi freedom and they say freedom.
About 40 they will go to jail. I know any report we move. Report where they grad they make am.
And no cry different report
oh. So we see all right now. Huh? One thing about Dominica Yinin say on pesa obeko court akolusu. Etu otono boase. No ahwehwe nsem no ma hu say we dear watertight. Me kwa eyeye and so akọ court. Me do ka say about 45 dockets are you ready on Ora.
Hey.
Just after vacation, a legal vacation, what do you open say? But say, MPP for the co jail. Just say, who said Yami Odo?
As a yell dessert will be a monia.
Nine me dessert, Ghana Sika will lutua as a self suffer for it. Yet you will be my sorry, I can say, will be glad to make Casse, well, we're glad the European what here. Because we were Ghana Sika, the apostasy. A dying. Now obia sabe senka baby a wo school ana me tira de wo ho a nka me tira na de etimi de na no cancel fun onya adwuma da hey some of the national officers you muti we bi tira me adwuma wa ye da
national officers of MPP
yes some of them adwuma be no ma ye da wo bi national service ana be di party animu ana jese wo di anya ho tam. And then Martin said the biggest private hospital in Accra is God is a party nibina AC. Ewa hasi. Obi a wonya adwuma da. So
Nyamishira.
Nyamishira. Hey. Wo papa say no wo kira de and I say no police ni and I say adebia wakọ pension wa kira de be 40 years and wakọ pension. Sika de man no 100,000. And no 100,000. Maybe two because I make a Jimmy pensions is here. Medium secret the measure means. What I say? But try they qualifies 220 months now. Ever qualify for pension. No. What I say? It me train me 60 years about no mapakoji. Me knew how much they'll give it to me. And so me try the 20 years as a free classroom. So on it, eti krono nyanhira. Krono nyanhira. Say o mansi cannot do sa bomu se mayeye. Last o chihine ekọ program bi ase. And that was my speech be. I don't know say some was a yina. What's it up? What do we sa bo aban footroom? Na say what count to ye sortia it doesn't make you rich. It's a thievery. Sadness at me say make you share that video no. Next week me ba mama abo.
Hwehwe mama.
Hey, me tie no what you say wa ka obi akoma so asem. Obi tu ho Ghana ha say ye mfa hwe ho. Ye di obi ato office. Sunday sika egu na account mu na egum obi a misa no hwe. America ntisa. Inti na nkofo we ni ya chi wo mo no. Chia ye chi wo mo no. American City Bank eka ho ene de ache wo because omo hu dubious activities, dubious transfers, dubious ayibia na ekoso na omo raise query. Sa adiwe the main you know 220 pages.
220
page 1 to 59 and the issue na nkasa from 60 equals 220 evidence, letters, emails, invoices, and sikan krofo aje any ade whole pictures and no upload ni na. Eti sa report we no enye the normal audit report na yes o aba esese obi kokoyi ano no. We ye special and ye can no forensic. It means say what the kan ye audit dida. No mo hwe audit no mu a se tabi etisa kom de kokoye no pepepepepe eti obi a wo ye involve bia no I don't know they get to you face to face omo no kasa no mo hwe eden na we ba say eno ho report ni Davinia report ni de emu awirem
nyama wo mu
na Papa no aye recommendation. Some perform we involved gina. As I said aban etwe wo maso. Na wo jesika ni gina efiri wo nsem. Na hunim. Abrantie bi a ye frɛ no Fred Quarting. Wono na wo ye IT officer. In fact, ni full name ye Fred Brain Quarting. No na ye IT officer ewo embassy ho. Wo ye employee. Ana wo ye say anye yenhwe online system a amanfo ebetimi apply for mo passport or mo visa ni ade then online ayina no omotimi de atua na afi o ma ye system say ye be ye courier service crampo a eno so no wo visa ye ready a o mo betimi e de akakoma ho eno anse wa postu wa ye aba wa felu bibia wa postu wo passport aba o mo de abo mama na omo de abro fi
nya normal ye fe no delivery no nti omo ahyehye sa anoma we nyina onom so ya de papa ye ambassador Hajia Halima ada no ye ambassador eti omo sign contract say company bia ye fe no Stefan enye Stefan no ye STEFRAN. Anaja omo ede yesade no. Anasa awudifo we mu no. Akronfo we. Sa audit we eye special no. Assembly America have bia na I'm not liable because this is forensic. Say utie de wo mu na yes say forensic audit.
Yes.
Is the closely examined financial records to find proof of illegal acts like fraud, theft, or corruption. It gathers strong evidence that can be used in court law to support legal action or solve financial disputes. It's not just a way there emu krojin.
Na sa Freddy ano mo yese say aye dia omo staff no what you say omo nyina agree to do that eti no Stephen ya approve so omo na be yes ade no yen kro no na ya ankasa yen fa ye de enye eti we na end with n no ana omo de 1n esanko kan ho na akọ end double n ana omo de ye online you know eti say wo ye officer no wa ma wani anko hu ya wan hwe ya wo hu se dubious ayi na omaye eti omakwakoye ehu account nso bi o baabi a chese sika no dane fa ho saa eti ekọ na se ompese omuyi a na head of chancery can say finance officer no na wa issue statement to the bank say oh e a transfer amount to say efa ko we mu ni na ekai ka ho na me catch yourself brochi enti se Ghana me wo Germany no because or chemiska 400 euros nipa no wo Cologne ana me wo Düsseldorf I don't say me pay obi account that time my late wife account na mema was send it to me e to mu say cream one na bank na frɛ my late wife say o mu hia no bank ana o koye si 400 euros bi aba betom e free questions 45 minutes like he said all kono o me passport ano de kire say eye me busuani bi na niska but ono wo yi ntino na se o pe ayi wo mo ye ya o mo ti ase wie no 400 euros no o mo te tax free mu and so mo ma na withdraw nkai
achede no mu tax
be na make acho because they know say boso me ni nyina no wo ye overtime wo ye say sika say NSS ba eti different ayi bia be betomu a ese say o ye dai utimi
obuhu akonta
yes utimi justify
Director of Operations Emma United Party Hopeson Adorye maybe atwam no ye MPP ni mapapa ana motene ka me program no asi enchimi ana na janto amobetene nka radio on so katwa show mo son for Steve Zandoniye bye bye.